Achoo! Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is a natural reflex. It helps expel irritants from your nose or throat. When particles like dust enter your nose, sensitive nerves get triggered. This sends a signal to your brain. Your brain then signals your body to sneeze. Sneezing can travel up to 100 miles per hour. It's a powerful way to protect your respiratory system. But it's not just dust. Strong smells, spicy foods, or even sudden bright light can trigger sneezing. Interestingly, sneezing can also be a sign of a cold. It's your body's way of fighting off infection. So next time you sneeze, know that your body is on guard.